Hello BNI. So when I started my member journey, the biggest challenge for me was to understand my member traffic light. And then one of my mentors really helped me, and today I want to give it back to you guys. So member traffic light, we all understand that at 30 points we become in red, at 50 points we become in amber, at green above 70 points. And we all wish to be in 70 points. But when does this report comes to us? So let me show you when does this report comes to us. If you notice, it comes under the heading of your monthly traffic light report, right? Member traffic light, MTL report, right? It comes mostly between 1st to 4th of every month. 1st to 4th of every month. And this report has an attachment. We all open that report and we look at this first page. Wow, this gentleman out there is on 100 points. Great, wonderful. So what all this gentleman is working on? Do we really understand what all this gentleman is working on? So let's look at this. MTL rank. So this is his member traffic light rank in UAE. Then we have his absenteeism. He's been 0 absent. Great. Referrals per week. How many referrals is he generating each week, week on week? And then thank you for closed business. How much thank you for closed business has he recorded in last 6 months time? Then look at visitors per week. Has he been inviting visitors, or he is taken a special role? Like here you read DC. Underneath you are seeing somebody having an NMS, means he has sponsored a new member. Testimonials. How many testimonials has he given? How many one-to-ones has he been doing per week? And how many CUs, chapter education units is he earning? That's his total score, and that's how you look into the traffic light scores. Now look at on the right side of the screen where you see MTL score for last 6 months. So it is showing you the progress, and the chart also shows that okay, he's been very stable at 100 points from over last 5 months since April, right? So if you look at this kind of reports, you understand this is the first part, top part of our report. But what comes on the next page? There is another page, the second part of this report, the bottom one. It reads current status, PALMS. What does this mean? PALMS stats for selected member for last 6 months and 5 months. Now why do I have to have this 5 month? Do we know the rolling month formula? Rolling period formula. The 6 months are rolling. So if at end of the month of June report is being created, it will look the data from January, February, March, April, May, June. But at the end of July, it will drop the activities done in the month of January. And it will take February, March, April, May, June, July. So that is called rolling months. Now if we really need to understand where are we and what are we going to lose in the coming month, we have to be very, very carefully observing what do we have for 5 months. And then make our plan. What do we need to do for the 6 month, right? We can do that. So let's look at here. You have 5 month data and you have 6 month data. Now if you look at referrals given in 6 months were 94, in 5 months is 88. So that's not going to impact him much, and we will come on that because 1.5 referral per week is good enough to score maximum points. So our traffic light is not going to be impacted. Then he has less number of visitors, but he has, so many of DC roles, NMS, all these things are there. One-to-ones, he have again done 96 one-to-ones, which is going to be much more than 1.5 one-to-one. You see this column, CEUs, he had 41 CEUs in 6 months. But when I drop 1 month and look at 5 month data, he's only having 26 CEUs. This means he's going to lose his score on the CEUs. A member continuously at 100 points might lose his score because he is having 26 CEUs. That means he needs to do more CEUs. He needs to be focused on that. Now he knows his target. That's how we carefully observe these two data. Now look at what is this month. It tells you target activities in for this month. In each of member traffic light elements will earn you 5 points. So if you look at this, if he does 14 CUs, he can make 5 points for CUs. If he gives no testimonial is okay. So visitors, 11 visitors to earn more 5 points. Required. It tells you what you can do in the segment of referrals, visitors, one-to-ones, thank you for the business, CUs, everything it tells you, and in each segment how can you score 5 more points. So if you are somebody at 25 points or 55 points, look very carefully, pick up a segment and achieve that 5 points there. That will help you. That will really help you. Now, have you ever looked into the second page? Do we really know how this calculation goes? Today, let's look into that second page as well. So, this is the second page. This exactly tells you how the calculation of member traffic light being done, what weightage each element of member traffic light carries. So, let's first look at the column 1, which says how it is calculated. So, you see 0 point, 5 point, 10 point, 15 point, 20 point. Any element of member traffic light can maximum have a weightage of 20 point and minimum 0 point, right? So let's look at in each segment. So if you are absent less than 5% of the meetings, absent I am saying, not substitute, you still score 5 points. That's the, sorry, you score 15 points, that's the highest. But if you are absent for more than 12% times of your meetings, you score 0. And in between, you have less than 12, you have less than 10, all these are scoring points. Then look at the weightage of attendance is maximum 15 point is the weightage of attendance. Then we come to second point, which is referrals for the week. So what is the weightage of referral? If you are doing more than 1.5 referrals a week, you are scoring 20 points. But if you are doing less than 0.075 referral a week, less than 0.075 referral a week, you score 0 point. Wherein you need to do what? Even if you do power of 1 will give you 10 points, right? So as you see, less than 1.25 but greater than 1 or equal to 1, you still score 10 points. That is how we understand each segment. Now look at thank you for close business. Less than 20,000 over 6 months, thank you for close business. Sorry, you score 0. But once you achieve over 80,000 dirhams, you score 15 points. That's the maximum weightage. But in between, you have greater than 20 but less than 40. So 20,001 dirham to 39,999 dirhams, you will score 5 points. Same way, 40,000 to 79,999 dirhams, you will score 10 points. 80,000 and above, you score 15 points. May it be 8 million. Then look at visitors per week. 0.5 visitor per week. 2 visitors a month. If you do that, you score full points. 20 points is the weightage for visitors. But if you are scoring less than 0.167 but higher than 0.083, you are still scoring 5 points. So look at this carefully. Then testimonial. In 6 months rolling period, you should have 1 testimonial given to score maximum points, which is 5. That's the weightage. Yes, you have people doing good to you, give more testimonials, right? You can give testimonials each week, each month, but for the traffic light purpose, 1 testimonial is good enough. Then let's look at one-to-one scores. How much is the weightage of one-to-one? Maximum 10 point is the weightage for one-to-ones. Less than 1 one-to-one a week, 0 point. Less than 1.5 but greater than 1, 5 point. Greater than equal to 1.5 one-to-one a week, just 6 one-to-ones in a month. You score 10 points, 10 full points. Then look at chapter education unit, learning to grow. You learn more to earn more, right? Learning. If you are doing 2 CUs a week, how many weeks generally in 6 months time? 24? So 48 CUs. Actually, you need only 40 CUs. If you have 40 CUs equal to 40 or greater than 40, you score full 15 marks is the weightage. If you are having less than 10 CUs, you score nothing. But the moment you touch minimum 10 CUs and less than 30, in that bracket you score only 5 points. cross 30, below 40 you score 15 points. That is what, 10 points, and maximum 15 points. That is our traffic light calculation. So two important aspects. One is to understand the calculation. Another is to understand what you need to do this month. And mind it, if you pick up just one segment, let's say you pick up referrals, and if this is recommending you to pass 6 referrals, that means you will score 5 points more. It doesn't guarantee that you are going to go up on your traffic light. Why? You might be dropping in some place also, na? To understand that, you have some additional knowledge which is on the second page. You can always average it out. If you need more help, please feel free to connect with me. I have another tool which can help you create your monthly targets to remain in the glorious traffic light score report. Thank you.